Welcome to the channel. In today's video we will be looking at some sentences, verbs in English. I am running to catch the bus. I am running to catch the bus. I am jumping on the trampoline. I am jumping on the trampoline.
I am singing my favorite song. I am singing my favorite song.
I am reading a storybook. I am reading a storybook. I am writing a letter to my friend. I am writing a letter to my friend. I am playing soccer with my friends. I am playing soccer with my friends.
I am cooking dinner with my mom. I am cooking dinner with my mom. I am drawing a picture of a house. I am drawing a picture of a house. I am dancing at the party. I am dancing at the party. I am swimming in the pool. I am swimming in the pool. I am laughing at the funny joke. I am laughing at the funny joke. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am eating my lunch. I am eating my lunch. I am watching TV with my family. I am watching TV with my family. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. I am walking to the park with my dog. I am walking to the park with my dog. I am talking to my best friend. I am talking to my best friend. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I am feeding my pet cat. I am feeding my pet cat. I am practicing the piano. I am practicing the piano.